Hello class, this is a Symbaloo that I have created for our lesson plan. Each tile will take you to a different part of the assignment. There are tiles for information on cities, rivers, mountains, and videos that cover different nations. There are quizzes and games for you to practice. These will help you learn the material for this lesson plan. So let's have some fun. On here, you just need to go to Symbaloo, which will be a link on our Google Classroom. Each one of these tiles represents a different part of the assignment. You have the Ming Dynasty, Russia, all different types. You even have games that you can play, and it takes you to different ones that shows you different parts of it and different things that you can play. And then there are videos like this one here for the Ming Dynasty that you can click on. And then you have GeoGuessr game that you have to guess where you're at. You have quizzes like this one here that's over the rivers. And you have Google Maps, EuroAtlas, Understanding Rivers, European Capitals Quiz, which you guess on them. And then, you just click on the tiles and it takes you to where you need to go. And this is for mountain ranges. It's a world geography game. And then you have GeoGuessr, which takes you, it literally drops you in places too. You got the world's oceans and rivers and seas and lakes. And you guess which one is the Baltic Sea and such like that. But as I said, this will be on our Google Classroom, so you will have access to all Symbaloos that I create that goes through the lesson plans. Well, let's have some fun and enjoy learning about the world.